Hello everyone and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel Shopify subscription. Firstly, you need to open your Shopify app in your mobile phone. Now Shopify is a great selling platform on which you can make your website and sell your products. Tap on Store. Now tap on Online Store. Now firstly, we are going to check whether we own a domain on our name that we need to transfer. Tap on the domain. Now, here we can check whether we own a website that we need to transfer. Because I don't have a domain, we can go straight to deactivating our account. Tap on Plan. Now here you can see the option of Deactivate Trial. Tap on that. And there you go, you have deactivated your Shopify subscription. Easy, right? See you next time.